Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Advanced ADX Indicator for MT4, okay? The first step is to go to the Forex Geek website and download the indicator. You're going to see the link in the description below, all right? So once you've downloaded the indicator, you add it to your indicators folder for MT4 and you just come to your navigator, you drag and drop on any chart of your choice. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then you can modify the ADX period depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be. If you want the indicator to be more sensitive to price changes, you have to reduce the value. But if you want it to be less sensitive, then you can increase the value. Okay. Now, this indicator, as you can see, it helps you to measure the strength of a trend. All right, help you to spot momentum shift. So basically, when the momentum is bullish, you will notice that the indicators histogram will be green in color, and the stronger the momentum, you'll likely see the bars increasing in length. All right, and then when there is bearish momentum in the market, you will notice that the color will change to red, and as the momentum increases, you likely see the length of the bars increase as well. Okay, so let's just go to another time frame. You can see this is an example. You can see how the momentum was bullish all the way up here, and see how the length of the green bars kept on increasing. Okay, and in this case, you can see this is a bearish scenario. The momentum was bearish, and you can see the bars were red, kept on increasing all the way up until the trend began to go sideways. So using this indicator is pretty straightforward. You can use it alongside any strategy of your choice, perhaps just for extra confirmation, momentum based confirmation. Okay, and it will be better if you use this indicator in a trending market. All right, use it in a trending market to confirm the prevailing strength, to confirm when a trend continuation, it's going on. Okay, so you can trade in the direction of the prevailing trend. All right, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you can just click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification button so you do not miss out on more trading tips like this. All right, and don't forget to like this video if you got some value from it. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.